my dear friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how to write our HTML basic codes. Before we learn that, we should know little things about HTML which are like what are tags, what are elements and etc. So first of all let me tell you about tags. Tags are the text which comes inside these types of bracket. The text which we input inside this bracket is known as element. So there are two types of tags. First, opening tag, and the second is closing tag. The difference between the closing tag and the opening tag is that in the closing tag there is this slash type symbol, and in opening tag there is no symbol. Okay, so the element which we are putting here will be same in the opening and the closing tag both. It should be you remember. And first of all, we before writing our HTML code, we have to save our HTML file. We can save it afterwards and before, both, as you wish. So I have saved my file before the writing. So I have made a HTML folder here, and inside HTML folder I have named my file index.html. So now you can see here that index.html, I have put it a extension here of HTML. So if you are writing a HTML file, you should write this HTML after you put any name. So first of all you have to put any name, and then you have to place here a full stop or dot and then write HTML. Then only browser will accept your this file, that this file is a HTML file. So after you save it, you can start this code. Now before you can write anything here, okay? And after you finish, you have to open it in browser. So I have opened this in my browser here. As you can see, it is blank because we haven't put it anything here. But when we will put something here, it will not blank. So let's go here and let's put some code. Now before doing that, we have to make a basic structure of HTML, and inside that we run our code. So today this video is based on that structure only. How to code I will tell you in upcoming videos. It is a huge language which cannot you learn full. You cannot learn it fully. You have to learn that part only, which part you are required. So I will teach as much as I can, and you can use that videos which you want. So first of all, before starting our video, if you like my video, then like it and subscribe my channel. If you like it, it gives us motivation to upload more videos like this and more interactive like this. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So in our basic structure, first of all, we have to give our this doc type. So how to write a doc type? We will give a tag here. Inside that tag, first of all we will type exclamatory mark. Then we will write doc type in capital only, okay? Then we will write HTML in small. It is not mind that you are writing it in capital or small, we can put it in any order, uppercase or lowercase, because HTML is not case sensitive. If I write the HTML in capital or I will write in small, it is same. Okay, so as you wish you can do. After writing doc type, we have to give our head tags. Okay, so this is also a tag, so we will put this in this type of tag. Before head tag, we have to do one more tag, which is HTML tag. Okay, and as I have told you that we have to make an opening tag and closing tag both, so the doc type does not need a closing tag. Yeah, one more thing, that it is not necessary that all the tags must have a closing tag. Some tags like br tag, like oh sorry, like br tag, hr tag, and doc type does not need any closing tag. If you will do that, it will give you an error. But most of the tags need closing tag, but some tags are specially made that which do not need closing tags. Okay, so HTML tag needs a closing tag, so we will make a closing tag for this type of tag. Inside HTML tag, two tags are required. First is head tag and the second is body tag. Now, inside these two tags are very important. Inside head tags, first of all, we give head tag. Okay, so head tag also needs a closing tag. So here we will give it a closing tag. Now, inside head tag, we give a title tag, which the title tag has that type of tag which will go at the top of the browser, where in the top of the browser in title. Okay, note here, I am not telling that it will the title, it will go in the upper part where the search bar is, where the search bar is upper, that it will give your name of title. I will create a video afterwards in which I will explain this title tag in detail. First of all, remember this, that we have to make a title tag inside head tag. It is an option. It is an option that if you want to give a title, you can. Otherwise, it will print the file with the file which you are the file or the name of the file. It will put the name of the file. If you don't want that, you want to add a tag, then you must give this title tag, and inside title tag you can write any your title. For now, I am writing here HTML. Okay, now this is head tag. Okay, you can do many and many as much you want in the inside head tag, but for basic structure we are doing till here. But there is no end of the tags which comes in head tag and body tag also. So now after head tag, it is coming body tag. So body tag also requires a closing and opening tag. So we will give it a closing tag like this. And now, wait a second. Okay. So now inside body tag we write our old code. Okay. Let me show you. If I am giving a heading of HTML, then I am writing here some text. don't mind if you don't know about these tags, then I will explain all the tags in detail in all upcoming videos. But first of all, keep in mind this basic structure. Remaining this basic structure is important for you right now. Then you will learn about these tags which come inside the body tag. So let me program some text here and give some text. This is a wonderful language. Okay, so we are given some text. If we don't give this, okay, if we don't give this, this is our basic structure, and all the code we write in the body tag, and some tags are required in the head tag. Okay, so now first, when you finished your code or in between, you need to check that is it working or not. So first of all, press Ctrl plus S. Okay, this is a shortcut key to save. Okay, only save, not save S. Yeah, so Ctrl plus L, then go to your browser and press on the refresh button. Okay, so I have refreshed. Now nothing is coming here because we have not done anything here inside body tag or head tag. That's why nothing is coming here. So for that we have to first of all write something here. I write that thing only. Yeah, this. Okay. So now I will press Ctrl plus S, then go to my browser and refresh it. You can see that there is a heading and there is some text which we have input here. Okay. So this much is the video. If you like it, and don't. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it. See you in the next video.